Hello friends, how are you doing today? I hope you all guys are fine. Today we are showcasing you a very beautiful video. It's all about a beautiful cat, naughty, adorable. In this shot you can see a cat. He have a two face, one in black and one in brown. This cat is very adorable and want to do some naughty things. Oh no, this cat is feeling sleeping mode. Wow, this cat is feeling amazing and see this toy like a dancing toy. Cat is in a shock after the seeing of dancing toy. They are a very lovely pet, especially cats, brown cats, white and black cats. I love cats. Cat is sitting on the laptop, making a face for her lunch. Oh, this is a black and gray cat. Someone. Wow, adorable and white color cat. So this cat look like in a dancing mode. Someone takes their hands, moving. These are a very innocent cat. They are always loyal with their owners. Oh, beautiful Persian cat. Someone. Giving a love, playing with cats. Oh, this cat is in a dancing mode, moving their hands, standing on their two foot, front of the mirror, doing some acting dancing move. In this shot, you can see a beautiful cat giving a love with their pet. The cat is also a very adorable pet. In this shot, you can see two kittens are loving each other. They are very adorable, beautiful, taking sun bath in this shot. This is a dancing cat giving some dancing move step. I hope you like this dance. Here are so many videos of dancing cats. We will post soon. Just see, watch and subscribe our channel and like our videos. Oh, wow, a beautiful cat lying on the table, sit on the front of mirror and doing some naughty things. This cat is standing on their foot and running and moving their hands, moving their tails. He shot a very beautiful brown cat. Someone take up from behind him and moving a cat for a dancing step. In this shot, three cats are sitting on the frame or bench and moving hands each together. This cat is wearing a sunglasses, light blue sunglasses. This is a very fashionable look like. In this video, a very beautiful cat, someone taking up behind and moving their body parts, look like a dancer. They showed a very beautiful kitten sitting on the bus with grill, doing some naughty things. Wow, very beautiful teacup puppies running around. I hope you like our today's video. In this video, cat, very beautiful cat, wearing a crown, princess crown, being very lovely, Wow, these beautiful four kids of kittens, beautiful white, brown kittens, grey kittens, adorable kittens. In this shot, cat eating a cookies, playing, trying to playing with it. It is very excitement after seeing this beautiful artistic art video. Friends, I hope you like our today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with us.